Yo you guys, it's Badger here, and as you can see we've got Prismatic Evolutions. Finally we got the hands on this freaking box. It took me quite a bit, was not easy to acquire. I know a lot of YouTubers have better supplement or more money than I have. I'm just doing this for, yeah, for myself basically. It's not for the community, I just want to share that with YouTube anyway. So yeah, I finally got a box. Probably paid way too much for it, but I need at least one. So this is the ETB or Prismatic Evolution. As you can see, we got it in German because it was like impossible for me to get it in English. So yeah, I'm excited for the set. And as you can see, there's quite some nice cards in here. A lot of hits. This is probably the banger of this set. You know that by now. And yeah, like always, I'm probably one of the persons that like cards which aren't too famous, like the little Ursulana here. But yeah, whatever. So I would say we just dive through. I'm actually hoping to get Vaporeon, just because that's my favorite Pokemon of all time. And yeah, let's see. Since that's quite a bit of cards, let's see how many are there in total. Okay, it's like 180 around-ish. So whatever. Put that to the side, dive right into the box. So the artwork or presentation on the box, it's nice, liking the Eevee. We can see here, liking the little foil effects. We have fill material, whatever. Throw that to the side and see what we actually get. So we get our basic coins. They're still plastic. We got some dice here, brownish for the Eevees and glitterish one. Yeah, it kind of looks like dice we had before, whatever. Then you get a bunch of energies. Yeah, so whatever. Throw them to the side as well. And we got some sleeves. I think there's a little bit too much going on these. What I do like is they are actually transparent again. They're not having this little, yeah, glossy or not so clean finish, so that's good. I think though it's too much fleshiness, but I mean that's up to people. Oh yeah, and then we got the promo card, which is already pretty cute if you ask me, and probably also worth picking out the box just for that, because this is just amazing over network. And the card dividers, I will show them in a sec, are pretty sick too. I mean, I've never been excited about them, but I like these, and I would just wish we would have this pattern on the Elite Trainer box as well, because I think the Eevees or the Evolution line looks great, and I would rather have that on both sides, to be honest, than Eevee on the other side, but whatever. So here's a code card, before I forget that, throw that to the side, and then let's have a look at the promo again. Yeah, definitely really cool. And as you can see, we'll grab one of the sleeves here. They're all really slim fit and they have a really clear window or front, which is amazing. So pack wise, we get 9 packs, I think. Um, and there should be like 3 different artworks, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep. And we got 4 different packs of arts. Okay, well, got the basic Eevee Lucian line, Porygon and Jolteon, Flareon, Glaceon, Umbreon, Eevee, and all those. So yeah, I don't think the pack art looks too amazing. Just threw on some Eevees on here. But yeah, let's see. I would say we dive right in there and hope for the best. I heard the pull rates are pretty horrible, so we'll see that in a second as well. I'm not sure what to expect, to be honest. But yeah. So for the first pack, um, I'm I didn't really look into the set at all. Like, is there any special card tricks or other stuff that we need to or need to take care? Oh yeah, okay. Well, I was gonna say we have to look out for. So there is Hollow Energies again, which do yeah, which really look great if you ask me, because the foil effect on these is amazing. Execute. Yeah, okay. Yep. Got some trainers. Seems like there's oh yeah, I forgot about that. Give me a second here. We got the Pokeball cards, or at least the chance for them, instead of a reverse. There's a Pokeball in here. The whole card has texture, pretty great looking, to be honest, especially on this pincer. I like the artwork as well, and it has texture all over. And then yeah, there's also a Master Ball that way you could collect. And I heard like these can be more expensive than the really big hitters of the set because they're more or harder to get. So we'll see if we get any else of them. Because I don't even know if you're guaranteed a Pokeball in each set instead of a reverse holo. We will figure that out in a second here. Let me just sleeve everything up. Um, I also give love to the holos. They have to be sleeved at least the first time. If we get doubles, I won't, but yeah, for the first hitters, definitely. So yeah, I don't know. Maybe if that's not guaranteed, the Pokeball thing, maybe that's a hit then. Otherwise, not the biggest start here. Um, maybe the whole energy is also kind of like a rare hit. Um, don't know if that's guaranteed as well or either. So here's a code card and one to the front. Fire. Okay, so whole energy is not a thing in general. And ooh, like the Houndoom artwork here. Yeah, that's pretty sick. Oh, Miltank, Executor, Slowbro. Ooh, nice. We got the Umbreon. It's just the normal one, the EX version. There's a big one for all the artwork, which is the big hit. But yeah, at least we got something. And yeah, I'm excited to see if the pull rate is as bad as people are saying. Because like I said, didn't pay attention at all. Didn't check anything. Didn't want to be spoiled or anything. So yeah, no Pokeball on this one either. So yeah, guess Pokeballs, um, holo Pokeballs are also kind of like a sub hit or something like that. So here's a go card. Water energy. Huh, there we go. Cool. So let's go. Vaporeon, come on. I want to see you. Ooh, again, Houndoom. Is there a different Houndoom I work in here? Or is that just a plain Houndoom that you can pull? That would be amazing if there would be, but I don't think so. Yeah, okay, nothing up. We got at least something. Iron Thorns, I think, right? Not too sure about this newer generation, to be honest. But yeah, at least it's a hit. So we got two EXs in a row. So it's, I don't know, it doesn't look too bad. Maybe it was just a coincidence. I don't know. Maybe just luck. We'll see. We'll see. No Pokeball though. So yeah, apparently harder to get those than the X's. But we'll see. We got 9 packs. Don't need to rush on any ideas on this set. Fighting. No, it's not. It's slow. Okay. There we go. Rotom. Yep. Golging. Come on. Is that? No, it's not. Solana, the normal one in Holo. Oh, it's just a reverse pattern. It's just because it's a paradox form. That's why it was looking differently than I thought it would. It just seems like there's quite a bunch of trainers in this set, though. Also on the reverse spot, which I'm not a huge fan of, because yeah, I tried to collect reverse holos from every Pokemon to get the full decks in reverse. Doesn't matter which set or anything, but yeah, I guess yeah, this set has a lot of trainers in it. Colin. Okay, liking the artwork to be honest, not bad. And I also have to say some of the artworks seem familiar. I mean, like, is this like a set where they reused artwork? Oh my god, we got the Pokeball and the freaking trainer. Come on. Yeah, I've seen that Pokemon card as well. Yeah, looks so good. Just, I don't know, kind of disappointing to see the Pokeball and freaking trainer. Mm. Yeah, it looks like there's some reprints in here for the set, if you ask me. You know what, we're gonna sleep that one up quick. Don't mind me doing that. But since it seems like we don't get a lot of Pokeball cards, I should probably sleeve it, right? Okay, we got 4 more packs. Yeah, so, I don't know, 2 axes. There's the code card. And fighting energy. Come on, Vaporeon. Come on. Come on. Screamtail. Okay. Nope. Oh man. Come on. Okay, I guess maybe pull rate is kind of hard. Maybe, or maybe we're just unlucky. I don't know. Okay, let me know what you would think of the pull rates if you open it up, or what your impression is if you're just watching. And we'll see what happens. Here's another bogey card. The code. And then, ooh, we'll get another hollow energy card. What was that called? Hoot Hoot? It's funny. Oh, wait. Oh, God. Oh, God. At least we got a Pokeball, I think. Sleep that sucker up. And their energy. Whoop. Goes in. Yeah, I don't know. I wish I could open up more, but it's so expensive. It's ridiculous. I hope they reprint, or when the new little tints come out, they should be cheaper. I hope. Hope not. Nobody's gonna sculpt them as much, but as long as people are buying, I mean, I did too. Sculpting will be a thing, I guess. Woo! There we go. It's a Master Ball and a normal Umbreon. But yeah, see, Master Ball. We got the Almond here, which is kind of like chase cards as well. If you get the Umbreon with a Master Ball, I heard people are excited about that one for sure. But yeah, at least we got one. Just to actually see it in person. You know, I don't think that guy is gonna be too exciting, but whatever. So last pack, we got 2 axes. That's it. Hope that's not gonna be it though. So maybe we got some last pack magic here, but for some reason I doubt it. Okay, come on, come on, Terra, and nothing. Okay. Oh my God, really? Okay, well, we got 9 packs. We got 2 axes, all of that, and that's about it. At least I heard like every 10th pack should be like a full art trainer or something. So yeah, maybe we were just in the middle or right between the full arts. I don't know. But I don't know, that's kind of unfortunate. And we got, like I said, quite a bunch of reverse trainers, which is kind of sad as well. At least for me it is. Yeah, so that was quite a bit of money to be honest here. Paid 120 bucks and I got 2 Yagses in the promo. Yeah. Well, whatever. Take care, you guys. I'm out.